student at NIT Warangal. I think you guys familiar with NIT Warangal. It's a tier one college in India. Despite of prestigious institute, why I'm saying college is shit. Let me tell you my story. 2 years ago, I was preparing for JEE. It was one of the toughest entrance exam in India. Of course, I was a hardworking student during JEE Advanced, when I was preparing for JEE. After failing JEE Advanced, I came to NIT Warangal. But when I came to NIT Warangal, but why I'm saying this? If you're from India, especially from Telugu states, you have only JEE or NEET, engineer or doctor. I opted engineer. When I asked for advice, people say you just join some top college, irrespective of branch. Learn some coding, you will land a package worth of lakhs. So I followed the advice and joined NIT Warangal Biotech. I tried coding. I got to know that it is not my piece of cake. So I left the coding. The past 2 years were unpredictable. Cut to third year. Here the real game starts. In past 2 years, I was busy in experimenting and enjoying my college life. It's time to get serious in life. There's a total change compared to the past. The friends who were talking nonsense in the first year and second year, when they enter in third year, they talk about career, internships. Everyone was stressed. Everyone were competing. Sometimes it feels your worth is just your CGPA and that one coding test. I have felt it sometimes. So let's start with academics. You would think, you have entered third year, you have sorted out everything. But it's false, brother. See, the syllabus was vast. We spent very little time on it. Concepts taught by professors, it's just moves around the head and just goes out of the class. And we end up sitting at the back bench and just scrolling the Instagram. I don't know why professors give us an. Of course, these are okay, but you'll manage to write exams well. You know why? That one night batting for the exam. Mental health. It's really a big joke. See, balancing all the things feels depressed. You feel, bro, I'm not up to the mark, and you listen from your friends, bro, I lost my last interview. So when you feel depressed, you think friends were solution. But the point is, everyone was running the same race, and you go some alone walks where you feel peace when you are in third year. And so when you are getting serious about your career, you say no. Bro, let's go out. Bro, I have some work. Let's go again. If you are in a relationship, you feel like balancing career and relationship is damn difficult because the girl was texting you and you weren't responding. But if you are in friendship, it's really hard to balance. You will be lucky if you got the friends who understands you. You feel lonely and depressed in the room full of people. And this happens sometimes, not all the times, but sometimes. This is one side of the story. And college is not about only negatives, but there are some positives like the fest, the walks, the games, and sometimes cooking in the room, sometimes mainly the friends and the people who you won't get in the future, the loyal friends. The connections you get here, that will be last forever, and those connections are really valuable. You need to get to the college. Basically, college is a mini society where you're gonna face after the 4 years the real society. So you will lose the people, you'll get some new friends, and it's okay, let's move on.